Hello. The next topic we have is specific heat capacity. In short, it is denoted as SHC, and in symbolic form it is denoted by the C. Specific capacity, it is defined as a amount of the heat energy required to raise the temperature of given mass of the substance. Please go through learn the definition once again. Specific capacity C, it is defined as amount of the heat energy required to raise the temperature of a given mass of a substance. It is called as a specific capacity. Its SI unit is heat measured in the terms of joules, temperature measured in the terms of degrees centigrade, and mass measured in the terms of the kg. Also, joules per Kelvin kg is a correct SI unit. Also, and CGS units are arc per degrees centigrade grams, or you can write down arc per Kelvin grams. If we make H as a subject for this equation, then H is equals to mc theta. This is the equation to measure the heat energy, or you can say this is the equation of the calorimetry, which is used to do all the measurements related to the heat energy. Next, we look on to the device which is used to measure the specific capacities. That device is called as calorimeter. It measures specific capacity C. I hope you know what is specific capacity. Specific capacity is a property of a material to store heat inside it. For every material, the capacity to store heat inside is different. So let us see how the values are measured for some common materials. So let us understand the construction of the calorimeter. Calorimeter is constructed in such a way that it avoids the heat loss through conduction, convection, and radiation. If heat loss are avoided, then and then we will able to measure the content of heat perfectly. So to design a construction which satisfy these three criteria, first a wooden jacket is taken. This wooden jacket prevents conduction. Inside the wooden jacket is a wool lining or a asbestos lining. This wool further acts as an insulator to avoid the conduction between inside of the calorimeter and outside of the calorimeter. Inside the wooden jacket we have a tin foil, a tin container. This tin container, it is called as calorimeter, and rest other here it is a protection device. On the top of the calorimeter we have a lead cover. This lead cover avoids heat loss due to radiation. This wooden jacket, this asbestos, and this one other insulator. All these three things avoids heat loss due to conduction. And in order to avoid the heat loss due to convection, inside of this are shining. Next is how to use this calorimeter. To use this calorimeter, we make use of the formula H is equals to mc theta, which show in the previous sections. This is a formula which will help us to calculate the specific capacity. Let us see how to measure the specific capacity using this formula. This formula is applied on the basis of principle of calorimetry. Principle of calorimetry, it states that heat lost by hot body is equals to heat gained by cold body. So the same formula for the heat energy, this H is equals to mc theta, is applicable on both the sides. That is mc theta for the loss of heat, and this is mc theta for the gain of heat. Furthermore, since this belongs to the one set of quantities